On July 29th, the Federal Reserve is making a decision that can move global markets. Second, most traders welcome back the ICT Finance. The upcoming FOMC meeting on July 28th and 29th is crucial, with the current federal funds rate sitting between 3.50% and 3.75%. This decision will impact stock, forex, gold, and crypto. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to prepare like a professional. Let us break down what the Federal Reserve actually does in simple words. The Fed control interest rates, which dictate the cost of borrowing money across the economy. On July 29th, they have three choices: hold rates the same, cut rates, or hike rates. When interest rates are high, borrowing becomes expensive, which slows down spending and cooling off inflation. When rates are cut, borrowing becomes cheaper, encouraging spending and fueling economic growth. What makes this July meeting special? While inflation has been cooling down, recent Middle East tensions and rising oil prices are adding pressure. If energy prices climb, inflation can break up, putting the Fed in a tricky situation. Understanding this simple dynamic is your first step toward smart trading. Now, how will different markets react and how should you prepare? Let us look at the three potential scenarios. Scenario 1. A rate cut. If the Fed cuts rates, it signals cheaper money. Historically, this causes stocks, gold, and crypto to surge upward while the US dollar weakens. Scenario 2. A rate hike. If the Fed hikes rates to fight rising oil and energy inflation, the US dollar skyrockets while stocks, gold, and crypto usually drop sharply. Scenario 3. A rate hold. If they keep rates unchanged between 3.50% and 3.75%, the market's focus shifts entirely to Chairman Powell's press conference. His tone, whether hawkish or dovish, will set the trend for the next 3 months. Here is what retail traders do wrong. They try to guess the news and open huge positions seconds before they release. Then market makers sweep liquidity in both directions, wiping out their stop losses. As an institutional trader following smart money concept, you look for the footprints left after the news. High impact news create massive fair value gaps and sweeps retail liquidity. Your job is not to be gamble on the news. It is to wait for the dust to settle and trade the real institutional direction. To protect your capital during the Fed decision, follow these 5 golden rules. Rule number 1. Never trade to exact minute of the announcement with large position size. Rule number 2. Use wider stop losses to reduce your lot size to handle the volatility spike. Rule number 3. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes after the release for the initial noise to settle. Rule number 4. Have a clear technical bias but stay flexible. If the market breaks structure, follow the real trend. Rule number 5. Always protect your capital first. The market will offer plenty of clean setups after the news event passes. Trading during high impact news requires discipline, not luck. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think the Fed will do on July 29th? Hold, cut, or hike? Drop your prediction in the comments below. If this video helped you prepare, hit the like button, subscribe to ICT Finance, and turn on your notifications for our post decision market analysis. Thank you for watching and stay disciplined out there.